Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the First Descendant DirectX 12 not supported on your system error. Make sure to watch the video to the end and also like and subscribe if you find it useful. So simply you're going to go to your search bar settings and then type in DXDIAG, which will run for your DirectX system. And if you can see right here, it shows DirectX 11 or 10, then we'll simply update the drivers. And so to do that, we're going to simply search here and then go to Device Manager and then check for the display adapters and then go to NVIDIA or whatever graphics card you might have and then search automatically for drivers. If it says that the best drivers for your device have already been installed and you want to double check, then close this, and if you have an NVIDIA, then you probably have GeForce Experience where you can just search it. And as you can see, you can click on the drivers section right here and then you can see GeForce Game Ready Driver and you can download and check for updates. And if there's any updates necessary, then it will download it and hopefully fix this for you. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.